friends, let's do a quick patterning exercise with our farm animals. We have what animals in our patterns right here? We have pigs and ducks. All right, let's sing our song. Are you ready? Pig and duck, pig and duck, pig and... What comes after the pig? Remember, it can only be those two things. The pig comes here. What comes after the pig? The duck. So if the duck comes after the pig here, it has to come after the pig here too. Pig and duck, pig and duck, pig and duck. So let's put our ducky right there. Ooh, our pattern's a little different down here. This one starts with the duck. Duck and pig, duck and pig, duck and pig. So let's put our pig there. Here we go. All right, this one starts the same way, but we're missing lots of guys. So let's see if we can fill them in. So let's say our pattern here. Duck and pig, duck and pig, duck and pig, duck and pig. Oop. He was a sideways pig for a second. Duck and pig, duck and pig, duck and pig, duck and pig, duck and pig. You guys did a great job with that patterning. Keep up the good work. Keep practicing your patterning at home. You guys are going to be expert patterners very soon. Have a great day.